Hi, I'm Kenneth Tancre from Belgium. I'm 20 years old and this is my bike check. So my frame is Radio Bikes, 20.5 Siren frame, metal fork from Radio Bikes, crystal stem. I'm twisting my stem because the top load was a little bit too high and front load was too low, so I twisted and now it's perfect. I ride with a Radio Bike Rave bar, 9-inch high. I like that, it's perfect height for me. I cut my bar on each side 1 centimeter. Now it's good for bar spins because the frame is just 20.5. I ride with the People Royal cranks. I ride already 2.5 years with it and they are really strong. Sol Plus pedals, metal, more grippy for dirt riding. Eclat rims and Willy People Supreme hubs, prototype. Radio seat is light, a little bit big, like it's good for cannonballs and all that stuff. And my brake, lever, all that stuff is from Eclat. My tires are got A tires. They are good for dirt riding and park riding, really light, very grippy. I have OD XL grips. They are a little bit longer, so I like that for bar spins and all that stuff. We're on a great North Tour with the Radio Bike team. We started in Bremen and now we're on the Oldenberg Skatepark for hanging out with locals and shoot a couple clips. So I want to thank all my sponsors like Radio Bikes, Fans, Nitsche Gloves, Going to BMX or 40 BMX Park, and all the other guys thanks for everything, and this edit gonna drop soon.